दादी अम्मा मेरी दादी माँ तेनू ज्यादा प्यार करा अंबर विच ने जिन्ने तारे उन्ने तेरे बोल प्यारे हीरे जे तेरे चिट्टे वाल तुसी रख दे मेरा किन्ना ख्याल थोड़े वर्गा ना कोई हानि तुसी होए दुनिया दी रानी दादी माँ मेरी दादी माँ थानू ज्यादा प्यार करा I love you I today speak some lines on Grandfather's Day. My grandfather's name is Shratish, Mr. Shratish Nirmani. He can do anything. He play lot of games with me. Example, Ludo, Carrom boards. Today I want to speak some lines about my lovely grandparents. My grandparents are so lovable, caring and mature. They always taught me for make and always good behavior with especially with experience with me. They are the unique gifts of the God to us. I love my grandparents. Thank you. No matter what I did wrong, they have ears that truly listen and arms that always hold. Love that is never ending and heart that is made of gold. Good morning everyone. I am Ashwini Murthy from class 4th. Today I am going to speak some lines on grandparents. My grandparents are special people in my life with wisdom and pride, who have seen many spring in their life journey selflessly. They are always there, willing to stand as sweet as chocolates, candies, and ice creams. They always taught me to use respectful words to others. Parents of our own parents are called the grandparents. Every person has at least 4 blood-related grandparents. We call them Dada and Dadi or Nani and Nani. Grandparents provide extreme love and care to their grandchildren. Children love to spend time with their grandchildren. Grandparents are the backbone of our family. Grandparents relate more value, ethics, and good habits habits to their grandchildren. They are the best caretakers of grandchildren. They always encourage my name is Himanshu Sharma from class 14. Today I will say a rhymes on grandparents day. To my grandparents, thank you for building a family of love and kindness. We are all so blessed to have you in our class 4. Today I am saying a few lines on grandparents day. It is believed that grandparents are the blessings of God. Grandparents are true believers in faith. They are ones who push their children and grandchildren to pursue dreams. Grandparents always take care of their children. Thus, they feel safe. Grandparents love children more than their parents. Also, grandparents like to nurture them well. Of love, when I go to my daddy, I miss her a lot, and she's the best nanny in the world.
Morning, ma'am and friend. This is my grandparents.
भूल गया सब कुछ याद नहीं अब कुछ ओ जूली जूली लाजू
तो प्यार का सागर है तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम
Bye
बाय
Bye bye.
बाय बाय गुड
दादी अम्मा मान जाओ दादी अम्मा मान जाओ छोड़ो जी गुस्सा जरा हंस के दिखाओ दादी अम्मा मान जाओ दादी अम्मा मान जाओ छोड़ो जी गुस्सा जरा हंस के दिखाओ दादी अम्मा मान जाओ
Hello everyone, I am celebrating Grandparents Day. I sing the song My Nani. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ram Narayanam Janaki Bandham
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं राम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे
बुलाते नहीं
अच्युतं केशवं
कृष्ण दामोदरम
राम
नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम
कौन कहता है भगवान
खाते नहीं
कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं तुम सबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं तुम सबरी कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम
Thank you, I love you, Nani.
Thank you, love you too.
चांद से प्यारी दादी माँ चांद से प्यारी दादी माँ जग से है निराली दादी माँ उस घर में खुशहाली आए